Hi, that's myself, Nagmara. Today we are going to see merge transformation in SSIS. So the agenda, what is merge transformation in SSIS? How to use merge transformation in SSIS? Merge transformation in SSIS, it's used to merge two in, such as tables or files, right? And produce one output. It only accept two input. Data should be in the sorted order before applying merge transformation. The output of merge transformation will produce sorted data. Okay. So today demo. In this tutorial, our first data source will be the text file, and then second data source will be the SQL Server table. We will be sort the both source input data by using sorted transformation, and then we merge the sorted data by using merge transformation. Finally, the output will be inserted to the SQL Server table. Okay. I'm just showcasing right the flow diagram so you can easily understand. For example, I'm having data in the text file and also I'm having data in the SQL Server table. Now I just need to merge these two input. I have the scenario like this. I need to merge these two in. Okay, but you cannot directly merge and load the data into SQL Server table like union or transformation we use, right? So we have to sort the data first. Then only you can merge this data. So that's why we just use this transformation, sort transformation in between. We sort the data based on some of the columns. The both need to be sorted based on a particular column, right? So then after sorting data, you can do merge transformation. Okay, let's begin. I'm just creating new SSIS package. Okay, really. Okay, now I just want to transfer data from source to destination, then you need to apply data flow task, correct? So to get the data from source and you need to transfer the data, correct? So just drag and drop data flow task, double click this. Then you need to define the source, correct? So I'm just going to draw data from factory source and also the OADB source. So this is to get data from the SQL Server table. Okay. Now define the connection manager and browse the file. I'm going to load this data, text file data. It's having column name in the first data row, so the check was enabled. So you can see the data whatever there, right? Okay, here 248 likewise, we are having the ID. Okay, this preview once you can see. Proceed. Okay, now create the OLADP connection manager. Get data from the SQL Server table. I have already created the connection string. I'm using the same. Select the table. So I'm just going to use person dump. Okay, select the columns and you can review the data as well by using preview. You will see 1, 3, 5. Okay, proceed. Then now if you drag and drop, watch the transformation, right? If you try to connect, it will throw you error. So you don't see. See the merge input and merge input to have sorting question assigned to the column incorrectly. So the error is appeared. So you need to sort the data, then only you can use this merge transformation. Just drag and drop sort transformation. Right. Then So the connection from the flat source to sort transformation and the connect is also stability and define the sorting. I am just sorting data with the ID, okay, ascending order. And also double click this ID and this ascending with an ID columns. Now try to link this from sort to multi transformation. See here the problem is again finding the data type mismatch issue. Okay. So this flat resource data type and this data type should be matched, correct? So if you go and see the flat resource by selecting this connection manager, flat connection manager, you can see how the data type defined here. So ID, if you see first name, last name, email, all it's a string data type, right? It's a non-numeric, basically. Click OK. Then for OLEDB shows this, we use this table. Okay, this is the table name. So for this table name, all fabric and vector. So first you need to convert the flat file source input to n vector. So to perform that, what you do just click this flat connection manager. Now go advanced. This change this to Unicode string because our database table has Unicode string, right? N vector means it's a Unicode. Let's convert it to Unicode string. Now just delete once and also double click once and see it's asking whether you are going to replay the metadata. Click yes. Now preview once. Click close and click OK. Now do Vienna transformation. Doing much, right? So do much. Delete this. Right into the smart input one. This link this from sort to merge. Open this. You could see merge input one, merge input two. Now properly aligned. This is the output column. Okay. Now I am going to load this into our OLEDB destination. That means to SQL Server table, I am going to load the data, merge the data. So now, then I am just going to create new table name. Okay, it's a result. Okay, I am just giving you check mapping, mapping properly aligned based on source input. Check OK. Now save this and run the SSIS package. See, from flat rate source for 8 rows, from SQL Server table 52 rows. So overall around 100 rows transfer to the destination. Let's go and see the table. Merge this one and see merge. Select the top 1,000 records. If you see 100 records should come. Okay, and now if you see all 100 records came. Okay, all the mail and email data, all thing came. Okay. I hope you understand well this concept, right? So guys, just to go through once. If you have any question, then please comment me. And also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.